Hey everyone, I have an extra special show for you. I have something that is really kind of moving, something that we're doing at the hub in Fresno, and it's being led by one of my good friends, Stratton Brown. How you doing, man?
Doing good, man. Thanks for having me on.
Oh, awesome. So you had an idea, you had an inspired idea. You've been giving back in big ways for a long time, but you want to do something special in Fresno. You want to anchor it around the hub. I want to support you. I want to be a part of it. Why don't you kind of talk about what it is and we'll kind of get into it?
Yeah, man. So last year, I donate 10% of my money. And so I went and bought last year in December, I went and bought like five shopping carts full of toys. And I went and delivered them to a bunch of kids.
Okay.
And that was really fun. And then I saw that Batch they did a toy drive last year, and their goal is to raise $10,000 on top of all their toys.
Okay.
And I was like, what? We have like the same type of office environment. I feel like we have a really good community out here. Like our dinner last night, I know all of them will donate to our cause. We'll get a bunch of toys for kids who need toys because like it's Christmas, man. Everybody deserves toys
Yeah.
for Christmas. Open up something.
Yeah.
I just feel like it's everyone should at least get that, especially in these times where some people aren't working, they can't afford it, where we can actually help people.
I love that you're doing this. You know, something we did on my channel, it was probably a month or maybe 6 weeks ago. We did a raise for Toys for Tots. You know, my mom, as you've seen in an email, is the Madera, East Madera lead or whatever they call that. I really like that we're going to do something at the hub, right? I want to make it, as I told you when you joined the hub, I want to make a difference in Fresno for 50 years. And I want to do things over and over. So this is the first hub toy drive. We will do one next year. Once this COVID thing's behind us, we're going to do more things. We're going to do something in the summer, for toys for kids that go to, I don't know, school or something. We'll do
Take the school
Thanksgiving.
stuff.
Yeah.
It's easy if you're gonna be making money and it's donate 10% of it. You'll feel better. You aren't gonna miss it,
Yeah.
and you can help out people in need. That's my
Yeah. So let's show a couple of things for, not everybody's been watching us for a long time. Let me share. I actually have a picture of the hub and really talks about what we are. You should be seeing that now. Right. So the hub is an office building. The short part of this is it was actually a dentist office. And I bought it, fixed it up, so I mean, full disclosure, right? You could look this up on Zillow, 1567 North Van Ness Avenue. I think I bought it for 140 grand. I spent nearly 50 grand fixing it up. So let's call it 200 all in. And my intention, my sole intention was to bring in quality entrepreneurs, solopreneurs that are in the real estate investing business. So that's what we've done, right? We have yourself, we have a couple of wholesalers, we have a couple of real estate agents, we have a tremendous licensed general contractor. And oh, by the way, we do have one office open, just saying. But the hub is a spot to help people, right? We've hosted events, we've trained, we've served a need. So thank you for being a part of it. But the hub is there right by Fresno City College, right?
Oh yeah, right here, right off the corner. I
Yeah. So
love the location in the heart of Tower District.
yeah, and again, it's nicely done. All the upgrades, nice flooring, paint. If you want to check it out, 1567 North Van Ness Avenue in the tower, so 93728. If you want to be a part of the toy drive, we're going to show you some stuff in a minute. But if you have any interest in real estate, buying, selling, remodeling, asking questions, the hub is there for you, right?
Oh yeah, and reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook if you are interested. And as soon as all this blows over, we'll start to have more consistent things at the hub as well.
Yeah, exactly. We were doing that before and we had to stop. So let's show you what we were doing um, at the hub. This again is all sponsored and led by Stratton Brown. I'm just being a part of it with him. And we are going to do some amazing things. So you went ahead, Stratton, and created a list of toys, right?
Yeah, and I mean it's harder to find toys for kids who are 12 and up, but if you just go through this whole list
Yep.
and keep going down, we have toys for little girls and little boys and all sorts of different options from Play-Doh, Legos, Power Rangers, dolls, Transformers, bears, some learning toys, anything you can imagine.
Mm-hmm.
So that way we can just help deliver it to kids in need.
Yeah. So
I
kind
think
of play this out for folks. So again, you're in Fresno. You're seeking kind of a list of people that need help, right? Because that's step one that we're doing.
Oh yeah, anyone in Fresno who needs help, anyone honestly anywhere who needs help, I'll ship it. I don't care.
Okay.
If you know families in need, but we're primarily focused on Fresno. If you know any families who maybe they've lost their job, they're going through a hard time, they can't afford Christmas, and you want to give your kids a good Christmas, we're here for you.
So how can they reach out to you? Let's solve that need first, because there's plenty of people in pain. I'm on record talking about Q4 being horrible. The federal government is just not helping. So we are going to do our little part. How can people reach out to you and say, hey, I need a little help. I need a gift for my 8-year-old or a gift for a 15-year-old.
Reach out to me. It'll be completely anonymous. Reach out to me on Facebook at Stratton Brown or on Instagram at StratDaddy. It'll be 100% anonymous. We're not going to share anything with you. We sanitize everything before it comes to you, just in case of COVID stuff, if your family has any medical issues or anything like that. So, yeah.
Yeah, and again, it's all different price points, folks. If you're watching this, I've seen stuff in like $20, $13. There's all kinds of things we can be a part of. This is just one way to give back. I call it buying good karma. Olivia and I will be going on this sometime in the next day or two, picking out some gifts and doing our part. So what will happen here, if I understand it right, Stratton, is there's really two things you're doing. One is you're leading the collection of people that need help. And then second, you are gracious enough to get a lot of Amazon boxes, because all of these are going to be shipped to your house. Is that right?
Yep.
Yeah, we chose to do that because the hub, we were afraid that people would be just dropping stuff off at the hub and it's not open 24/7. So we didn't want people driving by and taking boxes that weren't there. So that's so cool, man. This is awesome. This is going to be fun, buying some good karma and helping people.
Right. Every kid should open up something on.
Yeah, every kid's got to have a Christmas gift. Damn. Yeah. Any thoughts? Because you did this last year when you bought that 3 or 4 shopping carts. What age group probably needs the most help, or is it just everyone?
Everyone, honestly. I'd say I was a little bit biased when I created this because I have a 3-year-old little boy. So I was like,
fair enough.
Kids. And I was thinking about my son. And so we try to get as much girl stuff in there, but anything helps. Whatever resonates with you, just go ahead and buy it.
There you go. Yeah. And again, buying good karma, setting up next year. Next year is going to be pretty special. So what I'll do is I will put the link in the bottom of this description if you want to be a part of it. I will put Stratton or Stratton's IG account if you want to ask questions or you want to say, hey, I need some help. Everything will be in the description. I will delete everything else from my normal description. So it'll be Stratton's Instagram handle and the list for this Amazon. That's what it will be there. Any closing thoughts, Stratton?
No, but thank you guys for donating. I know a ton of people already are. You have a great outreach. Yeah. And let's make some kids Christmas.
Yeah. And the other thing I'll ask my audience to do, this is something that's special to me. So if you could share this video on Instagram, we did it on Amazon because in theory, anybody could participate. So I would love to see this get shared around. So if you're still watching, you're interested in this, share it around, put it on your social media saying, hey, I bought X. What are you buying? Right? Let's challenge some people and let's see if we can't get a little competition to see who can help the most kids. That would be a lot of fun to see. Let's get lots and lots of good karma. Let's help lots of kids and let's just feel better about the world.
That'll be really good. I'm excited.
All right, buddy. Thank you very much for doing this. Take care.
Of course.